I'm gonna check the oil to see if there's any shimmer in the oil. Come on out here in the light. You can see all that glitter. Can you see it? It's right there in the center.
Yeah.
All that glitter. That's the third oil change. You can see all the little shimmer in there. There's after removing the oil. This engine's going back. I'm gonna give a flying fuck.
Want me to stop it?
Yep.